Greetings, guys. In this video of how to use Zing, I'm going to talk about our GenAI erase function. This is one of our advanced AI functions which is able to auto detect the object and auto eliminate it as well. And when I say eliminate, it is also trying to keep the natural as well as the predominant structure that was there. So let's take, for example, I have this very cute dog's portrait. It seems to be very happy. What I'm going to do is I'm going to select GenAI erase. And let's say I want to remove three, four different elements. I want to get rid of the metal tag that is there on his collar. I want to get rid of the collar. Let's say I want to get rid of the grass. We'll also try getting rid of the trees and see how we can transform this image completely. So let's start off with the first GenAI erase, which is the metal tag. So I'm going to just type in metal tag. Here you can select how many metal tags. Okay, in this case, we only have one, but we can go ahead and select all. And let's say we want to delete all the metal tags and we want precise erasing. And detection strictness is basically how strict the object detection is. So let's say we keep it at medium and we give it a run. There we go. The metal tag is gone. We can quickly have a look in this, our image viewing guidelines. Now, let's get rid of the color. I'm going to minimize this. I'm going to bring in GenAI erase again. And let's put in color. In this case, we want to remove one color. That's fine. And then we run again. This is step one, step zero, step one. Now we're going to step two. So this is where I'm setting the workflow up. Let's say if I have a whole range of portraits with this same dog, I've been also been able to get rid of the collar here. Now I can make some changes. Let's say instead of medium, I say I want it high strict matching. So I wanted to kind of match the collar perfectly, get it a lot more edge to edge, and then get rid of the collar while kind of repurposing the leftover part and using the generative fill technology to actually fill it up as well. So now let's try with low. So the point is you try out all of these different metrics while setting the workflow in the sample image area, and you're better able to see how the image transforms in a step-by-step manner. And you can also compare the image while going to this specific area. See, perfect. Now it has matched it properly and it has gotten rid of the tag as well. Now let's minimize this and again bring in GenAI erase. Maybe you only want to erase one specific element. Here I'm just showing you for the purpose of the function. Let's say I want to get rid of the grass. I want to get rid of all the grass and I'm okay with lenient matching. Now it's going to identify where all the grass is. It's going to try and inpaint that grass and create like a standard environment around it as well. There you go. Now we have gotten rid of the grass as well. This would be a nice time to compare the images between the input and the output. So how we've been able to erase it completely. Now the last one. Maybe we could get rid of the trees, the windows. There's no specific end. You could save this workflow, run it across. This works very well with logos, watermarks, specific elements. As we're getting rid of blemishes, we could get rid of unwanted things in the background. Again, using this powerful tool specifically function in a bulk manner. That's a little bit about remove elements and GenAI erase. Thank you.